Good evening, welcome to anyindia.com news. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha attended a blood donation camp on Engineers Day 2024 in Agartala, organized by the Public Works Department and the Institute of Engineers, encouraging donors and appreciating their contributions. Let's take a look at the report.
Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha attended a blood donation camp today, organized in celebration of the 57th Engineers Day 2024. The event was held at the IEI building, Pandit Nehru Complex, Gorkhabasti, Agartala, at 11 a.m. It was jointly hosted by the Public Works Department, Government of Tripura, and the Institute of Engineers, Tripura State Centre. The camp was inaugurated with the lighting of a lamp by the Chief Minister, in the presence of the Institute's chairman, students, officials, and dignitaries. Dr. Manik Saha interacted with blood donors, encouraging and appreciating their efforts during the event.
আমি এর জন্য ওনাদেরকে আমি ধন্যবাদ দেব এবং যারা এখানে আজকে রক্তদাতা তাদেরকে আমি শুভেচ্ছা জানাবো এবং আজকে 57th ইঞ্জিনিয়ার্স ডে উপলক্ষে এখানে যারা উপস্থিত আছেন তাদেরকে আমি ধন্যবাদ দিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি। নমস্কার।
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bottom right logo.